Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. Here we have a Razer keyboard which is using membrane buttons. In this case the button from the right side, the enter button, is just not working at all. So when I press it, it's getting pressed but the enter is not getting registered. So what to do in this case if you have like a similar keyboard or even this one? What you need to do is first of all just press it like this really hard. In some cases it might work after. Otherwise you just turn it around and just knock it like this. You can even shake it, something like this, and now you should try it and see if it works. In my case it seems that it worked. I bought the keyboard used and it came in the package with the enter button not working. After doing like this, it started to work just fine. So this can be tried for any kind of membrane keyboard, either if it's one from Razer or from other brands. Alright, I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe and thank you for watching.